We'll guide you through how to make OBS not pick up Spotify. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to use OBS Studio without capturing music from Spotify during streams or recordings. Begin by turning on your computer and ensuring it is connected to the internet, since both OBS Studio and Spotify rely on a stable connection. Open OBS Studio on your PC and allow it to fully load before making any changes. Next, open Spotify and log into your account. Then start playing a song so you can monitor audio behavior. Return to OBS Studio and locate the audio mixer panel, where active audio sources are displayed. Identify the desktop audio source, which typically captures all system sounds. Click the gear icon next to desktop audio and choose properties from the drop-down menu. Note which audio device is currently selected, such as speakers or headphones. Then close the properties window. Go to Settings in OBS Studio and select the Audio tab in the menu. Under Desktop Audio, change the device to one Spotify is not using or set it to Disabled. Click Apply to save your changes. Now configure Spotify to use a different audio output device in your system sound settings. On Windows, open Sound Settings and go to App Volume and Device Preferences. Find Spotify in the list of apps and assign it to another output device than OBS is capturing. Return to OBS and check the audio mixer to confirm no audio levels move while Spotify plays. If necessary, add a dedicated audio input capture for your microphone only. Finally, test your stream or recording to ensure Spotify audio is not included, and adjust volumes or devices further if any sound still leaks through. To be thorough, repeat the playback test while watching the mixer closely for unexpected activity. If you notice movement, recheck your selected devices and confirm each application is routed correctly. You can also lower and use channels to prevent confusion during monitoring. Make sure your microphone remains clear and unaffected by these adjustments. Continue testing with different songs to verify consistent results across playback. Once satisfied, save your scene and settings for future sessions. This ensures your configuration remains stable and prevents Spotify audio from appearing in recordings or live streams unintentionally. Always review.